Dear entrepreneurs, I am going to tell you how to utilize your network to get maximum references. Last 7 years, I have been interacting with many entrepreneurs on a day-to-day basis. A very commonly asked question is, Swapnil, which is the best sales and marketing option for an SME? And my answer to them is business networking. If you want a trusted sales and marketing avenue which can give you a very high return on investment and also give you highly converting references, then the option for you is business networking. Then they ask me, what is business networking? And I tell them, business networking is all about developing relationship both personally as well as professionally. And they just nod their heads. But I am sure they don't understand the true meaning of it and the true power of business networking. During my engineering days, I used to stay in a hostel. We hostelites were really closely bonded with each other. We used to share our books, our bikes, our rooms, etc. Now as grown-ups, we have our cars, we have our apartments, but can we share it with our strangers? No, never. The reason is we do not trust strangers and we will never share our treasured possessions with them. If they want these things from us, then they have to develop trust and establish relationships with us. For an entrepreneur, one of the most treasured possessions is their clients. Are they going to share it with anyone who asks for it? Of course not. Whenever you give a reference, you are actually risking your own reputation and your relationship with your customers or acquaintances. A bad reference can actually harm your reputation, whereas a good reference can actually enhance your relationship. So for handling any references, an entrepreneur is always very careful. Many entrepreneurs join referral organizations like Me Udyojak, which has got multiple business networking groups in Mumbai and Pune. Whenever a new member joins such an organization, they expect that they will start getting references from their chapter members immediately. But that never happens. They have to spend some time in creating the trust and relationships for the chapter members to give them the required references. We at Me Udyojak develop trust by doing one-to-ones and finding out ways on how we can help each other and grow together. It requires time and, more important, consistent efforts to develop trust and relationships with their fellow members. Once the relationships have been established, you will not only understand the contact sphere of your fellow members, but will also get the required references from them. And the conversion ratio of these references will be very high as they are shared after the trust has been established. There are various ways on how you can establish credibility with your fellow members, and I will be talking about it very soon.